Hello, and welcome to Talk Boost. My name is Anna, and I'm very happy you are here today. In this video, we learn English slowly, clearly, and naturally. You don't need to rush. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to listen, repeat, and practice with me. This podcast is made for people who want to speak English confidently, without fear. So, relax. Take a deep breath. And let's begin. Today's topic is very important. Our topic is Think in English. If you want to speak English fluently, you must start thinking in English, not translating. Many learners understand English, but they cannot speak fast. Why? Because they think in their native language first. Today, I will show you how to think in English step by step, using simple daily life examples. 3. Why translation makes you slow. Let's understand this clearly. When you translate in your head, your brain does 3 steps. First, you think in your native language. Second, you translate into English. Third, you speak. This takes time. That is why you feel slow. That is why you feel nervous. But fluent speakers do not translate. They think directly in English. Good news. You can also do this. And it is easier than you think. 4. Simple thinking examples. Let's start with very simple thoughts. Right now, don't translate. Just listen and repeat in your mind. I am sitting. I am listening. I am learning English. I feel calm. These are small thoughts, but they are powerful. Fluency starts with simple thinking, not difficult grammar. 5. Morning routine, thinking aloud. Now, let's practice morning routine thinking. When you wake up, think like this. I am waking up. I feel fresh. I am getting out of bed. I am brushing my teeth. I am taking a shower. I am getting ready for the day. You don't need full sentences every time. Short thoughts are okay. The goal is thinking, not perfection. 6. Shadowing practice. Now, we will do shadowing practice. Shadowing means you listen and speak together. I will say a sentence. You repeat after me. I am learning English. Repeat. I am thinking in English. Repeat. I speak slowly and clearly. Repeat. Excellent. Shadowing trains your brain and mouth together. 7. Afternoon routine thinking practice. Now, let's move to the afternoon. Imagine you are working or studying. Think like this. I am working now. I am focusing on my task. I am drinking water. I am taking a short break. I am checking my phone. These thoughts happen naturally. You just need to notice them in English. 8. Sentence starters for thinking. Sentence starters help a lot. Use these daily. I am. I feel. I need to. I want to. I like. I don't like. I am going to. Examples. I am hungry. I need rest. I want to improve my English. I am going to practice today. Simple. Clear. Effective. 9. Evening routine, self-talk. Now, let's talk about evening self-talk. At night, talk to yourself in English. I am tired. Today was a good day. I learned something new. I made a mistake, and that is okay. Tomorrow will be better. This builds confidence, not just English. Your mind starts trusting the language. 10. Daily English thinking habit. Remember one thing. Thinking in English is a habit, not a talent. You don't need hours. You need daily moments. 1 minute in the morning. 1 minute in the afternoon. 1 minute at night. Slow practice is strong practice. Before we end, let me tell you this. You are not bad at English. You are just practicing in the wrong way. Stop translating. Start thinking. Trust yourself. Trust the process. Fluency will come. One thought at a time. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this helped you, please like the video. Subscribe to Talk Boost for daily English practice. And share this video with someone who wants to improve English. Keep practicing. Keep thinking in English. This is Anna from Talk Boost. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.